Okay, it's Ken Wilshire, All America Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. I'm here with the big gent. What do we got this morning, Scott?
Oh, we got a good bird bath down here.
Oh yeah, let's see that thing. You see? Yeah, we got a bird bath we're going to fill in. Well, that light strobes. I hope that's not showing on the... sit down. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, it strobes up.
Anyway, yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, we got a nice sized bird bath, man. We're going to fill in with green and make it level, and then do a full reglaze on this mug. And all right, we'll keep you posted. Okay, then we got the old gent working. Okay, old gent drying her down. This is how I keep him in line. I just whip him when he doesn't. Okay, got our ventilation set up and vacuuming everything out, getting ready to fill this bird bath. Clean the tub, getting ready to filling the bird bath. Okay, well, we got this bird bath filled in, and we're gonna go have some lunch and then sand this out, mask it off. We'll be about ready to spray this thing out here soon. Applying this red, man, get those micro scratches. Okay, we got to sand it down, but there's still some high spots. We're going to have to put some more filler in there. Got the Maestro here filling it, getting it smooth. Okay, it's sanding down the white now. Okay. You check, see how level it is, pour some water in there. Okay. Let me see the light, Scott.
Yep.
Let me see it, the light. What's it doing? Oh.
It's moving. It's still going now.
I'm going to show you that. Now this is what separates the pros from the amateurs, man. This sucker, we tested it with water, and this sucker, man, is really nice. It flows really good. So, all right. Fastest masker this side of the Mississippi, I'll tell you. Turn around, man. This tub, whole bathroom be masked off. There he goes. Look at him go. Look at him go. When I come into people's houses, I got a 4x6 tarp with 2 heavy mats on it. That's my mixing station. Fresh air helmet, 50-foot line, man, get me right in there. Okay, I'm suited up and I've showed up. Now it's time to spray it up.
That's right. It's facing towards me.
Oh. Okay,
he's ready to go. He's heading on up. You got your gloves? Okay.
Alright, that's good. Turn the machine on, please. Okay, we got the slip resistant installed. Getting ready to spray this thing out. Good ventilation going. Alright. Okay, well, here's the finished product right here. Looks real good. Matter of fact, looks fantastic. Okay, Ken Wilshire, All America Fine Finishes, 913-850-3308, kcbathtub.com. So here's the finished product. That sun's coming through that window and it's making it kind of weird in here. But anyway, there it is.